Hi friends, it's Lindsay with Lenny Penny Embroidery, and today I want to take a minute to show you how to use alternates with our native I Love glitter fonts. So I'm here, you can use any of the Embrilliance programs with the BX file for this font. And the first thing I'm going to do is create my lettering. So just type what I'd like over here in the Properties tab. And now I'm going to change my font selection to the native I Love Glitter chain stitch. Okay, and what pops up is going to be by default the alternates. So with the whole lettering object selected, I'm going to right click, select alternate and normal. And this will give me the normal version of this font, which I can scale up and down since it is native. But this isn't the cool part. The next thing I'm going to do is change the way this looks by replacing the first and last letter with the alternate. So right now I have the whole object selected. What I want to do is only select the letter that I'm going to change. So I have the letter L with the box around it, right click, alternate, and replacement. So now it's given me a fancy letter L. And I'm going to do the same for the E. And now I have a fancy E. So now that I've replaced the letters that I want to, I can go ahead and adjust the spacing and the size of this as needed. So really cool. All right, let me show you some other ways to play with this. I'm going to copy and paste to get a new object here. And with the whole thing selected, again, I'm going to go and switch back to normal. And then I'll also change to a lowercase l. Whoops, back to normal. There we go. And I think, so this font includes a lot of decorative characters that are mapped to the symbols. If you click the question mark over here, you can see all the different keys that are available. And the font includes a PDF to show you what you type to get which symbol. So let me see here. I've added these cool little squiggly lines here at the end. And I like the way they look, but if you want to change the position of these, again, you can hit alternate and replacement, and you'll get a mirror image. So each symbol in this font has an alternate available. So I'll just arrange these how I want them to look. I love it. And then another, since this does have so many different symbols included, there's some really fun decorative stuff in here. And like this one, for example, if you do the replacement, see, there's different versions. There's just tons included with this font. It's really fun to be creative with it. This is the chain stitch version, and there's also a bean stitch version that has all of the same really cool features available. And that's it. Alternates are a really fun and easy way to create some unique lettering with just a few clicks. If you have any questions, feel free to ask in our Facebook group, and I will be happy to answer.